In this video, we're going to take a look at two homes in two different price ranges at a subdivision in Hurricane, Utah, which is about 20 minutes from downtown St. George, Utah. This subdivision is situated in one of the most spectacular locations in the entire southern Utah region, with views that you truly have to experience to believe. So let's get started.
Gosh, these keep getting better and better. Oh my goodness. This has 3123 square feet of pure design. The kitchen.
Yeah, look at that.
Aren't these tiles fabulous? Look at this.
Yes, definitely has like mid-century modern vibes.
Absolutely. Back behind you, Courtney, is the pantry. So many cool features.
Yes.
Sit-in dining. Under these amazing countertops is lighted under all of this. And seating here and seating also on the other side. Should we talk about this stone here, Courtney?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. Imported from Brazil. They have had this in storage for 3 years, just so they could find the right house. Isn't this fabulous? A conversational piece? Completely unique.
Yes, and no longer available from this quarry. They don't have these colors coming out of this quarry anymore.
These are natural colors. Look it out there.
Yeah, now let's go to the real conversation piece.
This is fabulous. So guys, today is October 2nd, 2023, and it's fabulous weather. I bet we're probably 70 degrees right now.
Probably, yeah. Now, before we continue, let's just introduce ourselves. My name is Courtney Dezad.
And I'm Sue Halterman.
And we are licensed real estate agents here in the state of Utah. And if you are thinking about moving out here, not only to Hurricane, but anywhere in southern Utah, including St. George, Utah, don't forget to call us or text us. That number is a cell phone, so you can call us or text us, or email us below, and we can get you started on finding that perfect property for you, whether it's this property that we're looking at right now or anything that you need, as long as it exists, right? As long as it exists. So don't forget to call us or text us, because the team that we work with here has over 40 years of experience.
This home also has an elevator shaft.
Yes, perfect for mobility, as well as if you have guests. If you want to have them take their suitcases downstairs without having to go down the stairs.
Elevator shaft. There's the garage.
Yeah.
Guys, let's get downstairs. We're going to show you the master bedroom and then call us for the rest. Well, we'll quickly do these because these are stunning. If you had guests, look at this. Look at their view.
And then this is the master, right?
Yes. Let's take you into the master. And look at this framed view. Isn't that awesome?
So before we continue, just a quick PSA announcement. If you are thinking about buying new construction, we're just going to give you this little word of advice. We would love to represent you if you're thinking about buying new construction, but even if you don't choose us, we definitely recommend that you work with an agent, even if you don't choose us, because it's always good to have somebody who is on your side, who is looking at the paperwork for you, who is making sure that the deal is going the way that you want it to go, because the person who is working with the builder represents the builder if you go direct with the builder.
Absolutely. Let us make sure that everything is what you think it is. And there's so much more. Look at this shower. Rain showers.
Oh, nice. Like up there, yeah. With a nice tub as well. And it's heated floors too.
Heated floors, that's right. And this closet.
Now that is a closet.
There's a couple of other hidden gems, so call us. Okay. This house comes with a casita. Come in. Pretty cool.
Yeah, nice. Nice for when guests come, they have their own private little space.
Let me close this door.
And now we're heading over to a much smaller townhome in the same subdivision in Hurricane, Utah. Remember, if you are interested in any of the properties that are featured in this video, call or text us ASAP. Or if you have any questions about these properties or any properties in the St. George, Utah region, call or text us right away. Because remember that the team we work with here in St. George, Utah has a combined more than 40 years of experience working in the area.
Okay, come in. We are in Hurricane Valley, and we're 20 minutes, sometimes if you speed a little bit, you're 15 minutes from downtown St. George. So this is about a 2,000 square foot home in the 400 range, which is fantastic. And look at all this open space. Isn't this great? Granite island top. So good. Some outdoor space. What's awesome about this little community is you can option if you want to be a part of the HOA or not. And if you don't want to, that's fine. But if you do, there's a pickleball court and there's also the swimming pool and hot tub across the street. Here's the half bath and your closet. And your closet over here for the washer and dryer.
There we go. Okay, 2-car garage. It's really nice, especially for this price range.
Absolutely. And new.
Mm-hmm.
And don't forget, when you get new, you get a builder warranty for a year. Here's the staircase, and remember, it's 2,000 square feet.
Yeah, 3 bedrooms. Yes, and this is a townhome, so it's not a single family residence.
like about these kind of homes where it's kind of separated in lots of rooms, Courtney, is you can make this an investment property. Get some roommates. Nice little deck up here. Looks like a gas outlet, so bring your grill up here. That'd be cool. And check this out. There's two bathrooms. That's the master bedroom right in here.
I think I went in here, yeah.
Great shower. Wasn't that a great shower?
Mm-hmm.
And how cool is this? You also get a very incredible view of Sky Mountain Golf Course.
Yeah. Look at that.
Pretty awesome. Let's go through that shower one more time. Got an awesome shower.
And remember, we are licensed real estate agents here in the state of Utah, so don't forget to call us or text us on that number below. That number is a cell phone, so you can call us or text us, or you can email us, and we can get you started on finding that perfect property for you.
Absolutely, we're here for you.